Okay, so very good. So most of you all did your homework already. Okay, very good job. So today I'm just gonna summarize what we learned. Okay. And then we're gonna start on expansion and factorization. Okay, so you can take a new foolscap or a new piece of paper. We're gonna do a summary sheet. So we have linear inequality. Okay, linear inequality, what did we learn first? We learned about two faces, right? Like that, and the other one with a dark eye circle, correct? So this one here is greater than, and this one here is less than. Okay, less than, lesser than, smaller than, up to you. Okay, then the one with the equal sign at the bottom, this is greater than or equals to. Okay, then the other one is less than or equals to. Okay, so for example, the greater than, okay, this is very strict, right? So it's more, definitely more straightforward. 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 5. Okay, but if you have a greater or equals than, it means you have to include the number itself. So for example, x is greater and equals to 5. X is less than or equals to 5. This one here, the 5 is included. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 5, 4, 3, 2 included. So after we learn the signs, we learn how to draw, correct? We just draw a line like that. Okay, so next we learn how to draw. So we have number line. Okay. Let's see. Here's 5. So remember how we know where the arrow points? For example, if let's say I say x is more than 5. Okay, x is on the left-hand side, pointing to the right. So it's an empty circle pointing to the right. If x is less than 5, okay, empty circle, arrow pointing to the left, follow the sign. Okay. Next one, greater or equals to. Okay, this one is a bolded circle, so we bold it. And this is x is more or equals to 5. On the other side, this is x is more or equals to 5. Okay, how to memorize is that for your less than and greater than, right, you don't have the extra line in the bottom. So then means when you draw your circle, you do not need to put in the extra effort. Okay, but your greater or equals than, right, we have an extra line at the bottom. So when you draw a circle, right, you have to do something extra. You have to shade the circle. Is that okay? Okay, okay, next we actually learn how to draw number line with two circles, right? So I got two inequality. Okay, so I got two inequality signs. For example, 2 is less than x is less than 5. Right? So we just label 2 and 5. Follow the arrow. It is empty, empty. Okay, but this time round, because I have x is in the middle of 2 and 5, so we're just gonna connect 2 and 5 together. So this is 2 is more than x is more than 5. Is that okay? Okay, quite straightforward, huh? So here, if let's say 2 is less or equals to x is less or equals to 5, the number line is the same, but your circle just changed. Okay, your circle changed to a shaded, bolded circle. So this is the line. So this is 2 is less or equals to x, less or equals to 5. Okay, and if we have something like this, okay, very simple. Number line is the same. All right, we follow the sign. This is an empty, this is a bolded circle. Okay, we will draw a line in between. So this is 2 is less than x is less or equals to 5. Is that okay? So after we learn how to draw, we then learn how to solve word problems, correct? There are a few types of word problems. So what are the few types of word problems? Number one is they ask you to solve 2x is more than negative 5 times 5 times 3x minus 250. Okay, so for example, this solve the inequality. Yeah, Melanie, yeah, you just leave when it's time, yeah? I'll send you the recording later. Okay, so then we expand it out. 2x is more than negative 15x plus 5 times 250, 1250. Okay? Make x one side. 2x plus 15x is more than 1250. 17x is more than 1250. X is more than 1250 divided by 17. So, like that. Okay? So this one is very simple, right? Because like you didn't even get to flip the sign. But when do you flip the sign? Okay, when do you flip the sign when you're solving? Number one is when you multiply. Okay, or you divide both sides by negative. Okay, so remember this rule. Some of yours you cannot get it. When you multiply or divide both sides by negative. So for example, if you have a negative 2x is more or equals to negative 10, x is less or equals to 5. Okay, the sign will flip to the other side because you divide both sides by negative 2. Second scenario is when you just swap the location, right? Okay, when you swap, for example, negative 10 is less than or equals to 2x. See, it's very simple, and you just have to do simple swapping. So when you swap it, 2x is more than or equals to negative 2x is more than or equals to negative 10. So you swap it. But don't forget, you have to divide both sides by negative, so you swap back again, right? So it's x is less than or equals to 5. Okay, so this is the first type of word problem. The second type of word problem, what do you all have? The second type of word problem is the greater and smallest value. For example, the question say negative 2x is less or equals to x is more than, no, it's less than 10. And y, 1 is more or equals to y is less than 6, example. Okay? They like to ask you this type of questions, right? Number one, okay, not one. A, the greatest value of x plus y. Okay, so when they ask you x plus y, you will know that in order to get the greatest value, right, both x and y has to be the greatest one, right? So this would be 9. This would be 5. So get 14. Okay, next. They like to ask you the greatest value of x squared plus y squared. Okay? So remember, when you have a square at the top, okay, when you have a square at the top, remember that the value becomes a positive regardless whether it is a negative or positive. Asher is a recap and summary sheet. So every chapter I'll try to do a summary sheet for you guys so that you guys have notes for exam. Yeah. But I will continue on with factorization and expansion later on. Is that okay? Okay. So for this would be what? This would be 9 square plus 5 square. Oops. Okay, and then you have 106. Okay, yeah? Okay, then they like to ask you, the greatest value of x squared minus y. Okay? Or they like to ask you the smallest value. Okay? Greatest value, no problem. Right? 9 square minus away 1. Right? So you get 80. Smallest value is the one that a lot of people keep forgetting. Why? Because they keep forgetting that they can have a 0. Okay? 0 square. Okay, this is the one that a lot of students keep forgetting because you can forget that you have a 0 square. So a lot of good students will always forget that. And then minus, I want the smallest value. It will be a -6. Okay, not -1, right? Because the sign in front is negative. So to maximize this, I got to find the greatest positive value. So at the end of the day, it's a -6. Okay, so these are some of the example questions. So for this, right, please take note that number one is either you see a pattern, right? It's either you take the greater, okay, or you take the smallest, okay, or you can take 0 and in some cases, right, you take 1. Okay, so don't forget, you can take 0 and 1 at the same time, right? Don't just focus on like the smallest and the greatest. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, number 3, you have a linear inequality, okay, that it's very big. Okay, number 3, you have this, and then you are supposed to solve for this inequality here. So do you all remember how to solve it? We break half and half, and then we meet x in the middle, right? So x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is less than equals to x plus 22. Okay, this one here, negative 3 minus 1 is less or equals to 3x minus x. Negative 4 is less than 2x. Negative 2 is less than x. Okay, this one here, we're gonna make x onto the left-hand side. So it is 3x is less than x, is less or equals to 22 minus 1. So 2x is less than 21. X is less than 21 over 2. Is that okay? Okay, once you have x in the middle, then we're just gonna combine the two inequality as one. So we have negative 2x is less than x is less than or equals to 21 over 2. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one, right, is the one that we have to find out what is the number which is a rational integer prime number. So basically your inequality plus numbers. Okay, your inequality plus your numbers. So this one might come up for one question in your WA 1, okay, because they want to test you on your Sec 1 subject as well, or Sec 1 topics as well. So do you still remember, like, we have to solve this very, very long inequality? So for example, we have 5 bracket x plus 7 is more than equals to 6. Most please. Okay, so for example, we have to solve this, right? So we make x the subject. So we have 5x plus 35 is more than equals to 6x minus 12 plus 2x minus 2. Okay, then we make x to one side. 5x minus 6x minus 2x is more equals to negative 12 minus 2 plus minus 35. Okay, so we have negative 3x is more equals to negative 49. Okay, so both sides has negative. We want to make x positive, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 3. Then we get a 49 over 3. Don't forget to flip your sign. A lot of students will forget to flip the sign, okay? Okay, so take note that this is actually 16.3, repeating 3. Okay? So then this is like that, right? So in this case, they will ask you to find A, the greatest possible value of maybe rational value. Sorry, not irrational. Rational. Maybe they ask you to find integers. Okay, maybe they ask you to find prime numbers. Okay, so be sure you go and revise your number. All right, what is an integer? What is a rational? What is prime? Okay, I think last week we actually wrote a summary sheet, right? I think. Okay, last week we actually wrote like a summary, if I'm not wrong. Here. Okay, we wrote everything, so be sure to revise this page as well. Okay, with that, any questions for me before I move on to the next topic? Any questions for me before I move on to the next topic? You don't have question, Okay, you don't have question, right? I'm gonna move on. When you all have your WA1 topics and dates, please let me know because I know some of your WA1 is before CNY, so we technically only have like 3 lessons. Yeah. I think we only have 3 lessons left, then it's WA already. Okay, so let me know when's your WA. Okay, next one, expansion and factorization. Okay, do you still remember your expansion? I think you all do, right? Because we have been doing like the changing of subjects and we did a lot of expansion. So just recap in case some people forget. Method 1 is our rainbow method. Okay, method 2 is the expansion rules. Right? Looking here, very easy, right? It's a rainbow method. So this is 2 times 4, we get 8x squared. Okay, minus 2xy. Okay, don't forget the square. A lot of people will just tell me it's 8x, wrong already. Okay, by now you should be fast, okay? Next, this one, there's a negative in front of the bracket. Remember when there's a negative in front of the bracket? Okay, it belongs to both numbers. So this is equals to 4a minus 5 minus 3a. Okay, then we're gonna combine them together. So 4a minus 3a, we get a minus 5. Okay, next one, same thing. Expand out 5x plus 20 minus 3x plus 6. Okay, combine them together. 5x minus 3x, we get 2x plus 26. Okay, next. This one here is the rainbow method, all right? So the x in front will belong to both. Okay, both numbers in the bracket. Same thing for 2. Okay, same thing for 2. So when you expand, this is 6. No, sorry. 3x squared minus x plus 6x minus 2. Okay, we simplify them together. 3x squared plus 5x x minus 2. Okay, next one. Okay, open up the bracket again. 5p must times both numbers. Q must also times both numbers. So we have 10p squared minus 20pq plus 2pq plus 4q squared. Okay, then after that, don't forget, did you see that this is PQ, PQ? You cannot stop here. Same term you must add and minus together. So this is 10p squared minus 18pq plus 4q squared. Okay, can you all try question C and send me a WhatsApp photo once you're done? You all try question C and send me a WhatsApp photo once you're done.
So I don't understand the whole question.
Sorry,
I don't understand the whole question.
you don't understand the whole question. We are just doing a rainbow method. So you are multiplying in. Wait, who don't understand what I was saying? Anyone else? Okay, Asher, right? So here we are opening up the bracket, right? So when we are opening up the bracket, it means that we are expanding, we are multiplying. Okay, so this is the rainbow method. 2x, okay, you must multiply to both terms. So this is 2x times 3x. So what do we get? We get 6x squared. Can I show? Then after that, again, 2x must times negative y. So then we have negative 2xy. Okay, so then you do the same for y. For y, right, don't forget that the negative belongs to the y. It's here. Y times y, you get y squared. Okay, not just y itself. The rest are correct. No. Uh, don't forget your x and y. Yes, very good, Bernice. Yes, very good, Melanin. Okay, very good, Chen Yi. Hmm. Okay, so basically you should get a negative 3xy positive y squared. Okay, then don't forget that you can simplify this. 6x squared minus 5xy plus y squared. Okay, for those who are confused, right? Thank you, Astra. Okay, for those who are confused, right, then you will have to do additional steps, okay? So remember last time sec 1, right, we always write the brackets, right? So if you're confused, write this 2x times 3x, okay? Then plus 2x times negative y plus negative y times 3x plus negative y times negative y. Okay? So what I'm doing is 2y times 3x. So 2y and 3x. Then 2y times negative y. So 2y and negative y. Okay? Negative y times 3x. So negative y and 3x here. Negative y and negative y. So negative y times negative y over here. Okay? So this will help you to not be like careless and also not be confused. Okay, more of not be confused lah. Okay, this one you also can prone to careless mistake. So then you just group them up, right? Numbers and numbers, 2 times 3, 6. X got how many x? X squared. Okay, again, same thing. 2 and negative, negative 2, copy x squared, and xy. Okay, minus 3xy plus y squared. Okay, after which you combine 6x squared minus 5xy plus y squared. Okay, can I move on? Can I move on? Yes? No? Oh, yes, okay. Moving on, it starts to get difficult already. You can see next page. Okay, next page, you see there are 3 variables inside this bracket here. Y'all see that? But the rule is the same. Okay, don't need to scare one. Okay, 4x multiply in x squared, 4x multiply in negative 2xy, 4x multiply to, okay, 4x will multiply to 7y squared. Do you see? It's the same thing, it's just that I added one more rainbow. Okay, the bottom, don't forget that the negative belongs to the y. Right, they are together, so times in, and times in. Okay, so if you are easily confused, don't worry, just write down the working. So this is equals to 4x times x squared, 4x times x squared plus 4x times negative 2xy plus 4x times y squared. It's just that this method is just a bit lengthy. Okay, and when you move on to the negative y, the bottom rainbow plus negative y times x squared plus negative y times negative 2xy plus negative y plus times 7y squared. Okay, so this is how the working looks like. Okay, then after that, we're going to open up the bracket. So 4, how many x are there? There's 1x here, 2x here. So it is 4x cubed. Okay, not 4x square. Don't tell me 4x square. Okay, 4x cubed, because got 3x. Okay, next one. Plus 4 times -1. So, sorry, that is a negative already. 4 times -2 is -8. X square y. There are two x, 2x. Okay, next one. 4 times 7, 28 x y square. Alright, next. Negative x square y, positive 2xy square. Positive 2xy square minus 7y cubed. So this is actually how the answers looks like, okay? But don't forget, we have to rearrange and we have to simplify it. Okay, y'all copy first, huh? Okay, here, right? Do you see that x square y? And do you see that is x square y? Anything else? Yeah. Okay, you see x square y. You also see xy square, xy square, xy square. Do you see that? Okay, do I miss out? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just let me double check first. Oh, sorry, I repeated this twice. This is not supposed to be here. I repeated that twice. No wonder got extra blue color. Okay, then after that, you can combine the same term together. So 4x cubed negative 8xy minus x square y. Okay, negative 8x square y minus x square y. So we have a negative 9x square y. Okay, 28xy square plus 2xy square. What do you have? You have 30 xy square minus 7y cubed. Okay, like that. Can you all try question B? Take a WhatsApp photo and send me. Uh, Melanin, your third one, right, is 2x times 1, so it's supposed to be 2x. The third term of your working, 2x times x, so it's not supposed to be 3x, it's supposed to be 2x. Let me check. Then your last term, 3y times 1, it's 4y. Okay, it's not a add, it's a times, so 3 times 1 is 4y.
So that means for my third term is 2x and then for the last one is 3y.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, very good, Asher. Every time you all take photo, I need to slide my head because you all take portrait instead of horizontal. Funny. Okay, very good, Atia. Mm. Chen Yi also. Uh, okay. Oh. Mm. Okay. Anyone else haven't sent? Okay, can we move on? So increasing difficulty. This time round, I have the rainbow method, and I also have like the normal expansion. So same thing, right? 7a squared plus 35a. Okay, there is a negative in front of here, so we got to put a very big bracket. Okay, every time you see a negative, okay, in front of a bracket, you could put a very big bracket. Okay, because we want to do the bracket first, and we times in the negative. So negative, big bracket, a squared plus a minus 2a minus 2. Um, yeah, okay, good. Yeah, Bernie's very good. Okay, then after that, equals to 7a squared plus 35a minus the a and a can put them together, right? So it's a squared minus a minus 2. Okay, then we're gonna expand in the bracket, expand in the negative. So we have 7a squared plus 35a. Open up the bracket, negative a squared plus a plus 2. Okay, when you expand in the negative, remember your negative and negative is positive, right? Okay, this one is negative, positive, positive. Okay, moving on. 7a squared minus a squared, 555a plus a. So what do we have? We have 6a squared plus 36a plus 2. Okay? Okay, okay, moving on. This one also same thing. This one very nice. The question actually gave you the brackets already. Okay? So here, B is what? 10y minus 20 minus, keep the big bracket, settle the one inside first. 3y plus 10 minus 20y, big bracket. Okay, y and y, you can simplify that. 10y minus 20 minus 3 minus 20, right? 10 plus 17y. Okay, expand in the negative. No, expand in the negative. Then y minus 20 minus 10 minus 17y. Okay, check 10y negative 17y. 12, sorry, no, negative 20 and negative 10. So it is negative 7y minus 30. Is it okay? Yeah. Yeah, let's practice some more, cause very confusing, right? Okay, I'm just gonna do the first row. I know it's quite draining lah to do. So let's do the first row together. Okay, the rest you guys can practice as homework. I want to move on to something new for Sec 2. All right. So here, expanding 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Okay, then minus 8x. Okay, then after that, the 1 x squared minus 3x minus 4. Check. X squared, x squared. Negative 8x, negative, negative 3x. So it will be 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 11x minus 4. Is that okay? Okay, right? Okay, then I cannot talk already. So, Chen Yi, give me the first working for question 2. Then we move down the row, okay?
Uh, x square times x square, so x.
X squared times x squared. So how many x are there?
What's the x to the power 4?
Good. X to the power of 4.
Uh, minus. Sorry, no.
Yeah, correct. Minus.
Yes, minus
Yeah.
x. Anyway, anyway,
Mm.
2x cube.
Mm.
Um, plus x squared
Mm.
minus 4x squared
Mm. Then,
plus
yes.
8x minus 4.
Yeah, good. Okay, great. Thank you, Chen Yi. So check, we have x squared here, x squared here, nothing else. Melanin, what do we do next?
Equals to x and then the power of 4
Mm-hmm.
minus 2x cubed
Mm-hmm.
minus 3x squared
Yep.
plus 8x minus 4.
Yes, very good. Plus 8x minus 4. Okay, Bernice. Bernice, whenever you're ready. Just the first working will do.
Um,
Mm.
2x to the power of 3
Mm.
minus 10x squared
Mm-hmm.
minus 14x plus 5x squared
Yeah.
minus 25x
Yeah.
minus minus 35.
Very good. Afika. Oh, Afifa, sorry. Afifa. Okay, I highlight for you. So we have x square, and we have uh x and x. Can you simplify this? 2x cubed. Afifa, can you continue? So the the same term must group together and then you must add and minus. So this one is negative 10, then this one is positive 5, right? So negative 10 plus 5, what do you get? Okay. You can type, or you type like minus or plus, or if let's say your keyboard cannot put in the minus and plus sign. So negative 10 plus 5, what do you get? Do you get a positive or negative? Yeah, you got a negative 5x squared. Then what about the 14? Negative 14x minus 25x. No, negative 14 minus 25. They are both negative. So you just press your calculator, negative 14 minus 25. Yeah. Uh, yeah, but is it a positive or is it a negative? Yeah. So we have a negative 39x minus 35. So Afika, remember, if let's say it's the number we are looking at, right, to simplify, you just press into your calculator. Okay, just press the number and the sign in as well inside your calculator. Okay, can? Like that you won't make mistakes next time. Okay, very good. So this one really just more practice. Can you all please try as homework? Today is what? Today is 24th of Jan. Can you all please try as homework? And then after that, take a pic and send me after. What I want to move on and focus on is the algebraic expansion rule. Okay, so in Sec 1, it was really a simple rainbow method and simplify. But in Sec 2, we have 3 algebraic rules to follow. Okay, and these 3 algebraic rules we have to memorize. So what are they? We have A plus B square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square minus B square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. A plus B times A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So what does this mean? Example, let's say we have x plus 2 square. Okay, x plus 2 square, when we open up, okay, not yet open up, when we rewrite it, x plus 2 times x plus 2. Agree? Okay, this one throw back to primary school when you have 2 square. This is 2 times 2, right? Okay, so anything square is you repeat the number twice and you multiply it once, right? So same thing. You just repeat and you times twice. Okay, then we're gonna open up the bracket, rainbow method. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So it's equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, now how is this comparable to this? It's because when we expand this, okay, when we open up this is A plus B times A plus B, right? And then when we continue to expand, we have a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. Okay, when we simplify this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, do y'all realize that the x represents a, the 2 represents b, right? The b represents 2. And okay, so I'm just gonna highlight that. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so you can see, right, actually, you are doing the same thing. Right? When you match letter for letter, letter for numbers, you're actually doing the same thing. Okay? So in exam, if you forgot your rules, don't worry, you can actually generate it, right? You can actually get it out by expanding. All right? Now, why is it that we want to memorize this set of rules? Because as you can see that these two, right, are equally matched. Okay, the step-by-step process is the same. When the step-by-step process is the same, it means that my answer would be the same. So if we know that this format here will generate this outcome, okay, confirm die this outcome. We don't want to do the additional steps in the exams to save time. Okay, so to save time, right? X plus 2 square. Okay, we know it's this, right? Plus p squared equals to. Okay. Immediately, right, we can just substitute the letter for letter and letter for number. So A is what? A is x, right? Earlier on, we say A is x, right? So this is x squared plus 2, copy down, times x times 2 plus 2 squared. Okay? Then after that, you just have to open up the bracket and it simplifies to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then you realize that it's actually the same. Okay, so if you are faster in the future, right, there's no need for you to do these steps anymore lah. Right, but for now we have to write because that's where our method lies in. Okay, but when you move on to Sec 3, there's so much more things to learn. You don't really have to write this. You just need to generate the final answer. That's fine. All your teachers will know that you are using the algebraic rules and formula. Okay? So similarly for the rest, if let's say today is x minus 2 square, you leave a space at the top. This one look like what? This one looks like root 2, right? A minus b. So it's comparable to a minus b squared. And this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so same thing. We're gonna match letter for letter, letter for numbers. So we have x squared minus 2 times x times b. Oh, b is 2. B is 2 plus 2 squared. Then you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so don't think so complicated. We are just matching, right? A is x. Okay, you see A is x. B is what? B is 2. You're just matching. Then we are just replacing, okay, all the A. What do? We replace it with x, right? And then all the B, oops, I highlight wrongly. And then all the B, we just replace it with the number 2. Okay, this is what we are doing. We are just replacing. Okay, last example, we have the third rule, which looks like this, right? X plus 2 times x minus 2. This one here looks like this one, right? We can match, right? So this is x, sorry. This is a plus 2 times a minus b, sorry. This is b. Okay, equals to a squared minus b squared. Okay, so y'all can see we can match, right? So what do we match? We see that A is x, A is x, B is 2, B is 2. Okay, so on this side, A is x squared, okay, x squared minus 2 squared. Is that okay? So when you open up the bracket, you will get x squared minus 4, like that. Okay, so for this chapter, all you're going to do is to memorize the formulas. But as I said, you don't really have to memorize because you are able to derive the formula when you rainbow in and then you simplify. So if you really forget the exam, rainbow in and simplify. Okay? And show what is minus plus 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 plus. Okay, moving on. Okay, now rule 1. Okay, rule 1 is, oops, sorry. Rule 1 is what? What's your rule 1? Rule 1 is A plus B squared. This is your rule 1. When you open up A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so looking at the first question, you can see that is a rule 1, right? Because why? You can identify A, you can see that there's a plus, and you can identify B. Okay, so this is square. Okay, so after you identify A and B, we are just going to replace your A and B over here. So this is equals to A is still A plus 2A, B is 3C plus 3C squared. Okay, after that, you open up the bracket. A square plus 6AC plus 9C square. Okay, all the number multiply together, letters copy and paste in, nothing too difficult. Okay, next question, same thing. A and B. Okay, this is A and this is B. Expand, just replacing, right? So 3y squared plus 2 times 3y times 5 plus 5 squared. Okay, nothing too difficult really. I'm just replacing. Okay, A for B. No, A for B. A for 3y, B for 5. After you do that, expand. Now the careless mistakes comes here, right? This one is not times 2, it's square. Sounds so funny. 3 square is 9. 9y squared. Okay, it's not a times, it's a square. Okay? Plus, this one, don't need to scared. Press calculator. 2 times 3 times 5, we get 30. Y plus 25. Okay, y square is 25. You don't know, just press your calculator. Okay, what is 3 square? Okay, you all don't put a 6y square. Okay, question C, same thing. A, B, replaced. So 5x squared plus 2 times 5x times 2y plus 2y squared. Okay, open up. This is not 5 times 2. This is 5 squared. 25x squared. Over here, 2 times 5 times 2 on your calculator plus 20xy plus 4y squared. Okay? Okay, can? Okay, moving on down. How many people do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go one by one down the row. I have 6. Just nice. One person, one question. No, I start with who? I start with Africa, right? Okay, Asher, come. First question.
Okay, bracket 2x plus 3y times bracket 2x plus 3y.
Wrong. I want you to apply the formula. I don't want you to do the steps. I want you to apply the formula faster.
Oh,
Yeah. Were you doing the 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y all along? No, cannot because in the exam, this is what they are testing you on. So if you do that,
okay.
it's
I
wrong.
get it. 2x square plus 2 times 2x plus
Okay, not
3y.
plus. 2 times 2x times.
2 times,
What's the formula? A squared plus 2ab
2ab
plus
plus
b squared.
So
So
it's
after
like 2 times 2x plus 3y.
not plus 3y. 2 times 2x times, look at this. This is 2ab. So what is your b?
3y.
3y plus?
Then plus 3y squared.
Yeah, correct. Okay, good. Then when we expand in, what do you get, Asher?
2x squared plus,
You expand in. Remember, 2 belongs to the 2,
yeah,
not 2x squared.
4x plus
4x. 4x what?
square
Okay, 4x squared plus.
plus 4x
Times
uh
in calculator. 2 times 2 times 3.
2 times 3 is 12
12.
xy
Yeah, 12xy.
plus 3y plus
Wrong.
6y squared.
No, not 6y. What is this?
6y squared.
No, not 6y square. Square. 3 square.
9y squared.
Yeah, nice y square. See, all the careless mistakes all start coming in already. Okay, guys, please, number 1, you need to use the rules. Okay, whenever you all see this type of question in the exam, you need to apply the rules. You cannot go back to side 1. Okay, side 1 you can still copy paste, multiply in, but in side 2, right, you do that, they will minus the marks, they'll penalize you because this is not what they're testing you on. Okay, number 1, the rules. Number 2, remember it's a square. Okay, not times 2, right? It's a square, not times 2. Okay? Yeah. And then, right, only number 3, only in the middle, then it's a times. So 2ab, this one is times. Okay, but the 2 at the side is a square. All right? Okay, moving on, we have ATL.
Let's do bracket 3x bracket square.
Yeah.
Then plus 2 bracket 3x bracket 5y bracket plus 5y square
Yes, very good. Expand it out.
equals to 9x squared plus
9x.
30xy plus 25y squared.
30, right? You said?
Yeah,
You said 30xy, and then plus?
25y squared.
Yes, very good. Plus 35y squared. Good job. Okay, reverting back to Chen Yi.
4x squared.
Good. 4x squared.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Plus 2 bracket 4x bracket 3y plus 3y squared.
Okay, good.
16x squared plus 24xy plus 9y squared.
Yes, okay, very good. Next one, melanin.
Seven x squared.
Sorry again.
7x squared
7x squared.
plus 2 bracket 7x and then bracket 3y
Uh-huh.
plus 3y squared.
Yeah, very good. Plus 3y squared equals to?
7
It's a square, yeah.
49.
Mm-hmm.
49x squared plus 14x
273. 273. 2 times 7 times 3.
21.
Is it 2 times 42?
Oh, we have to times. Oh, okay.
Okay, 42.
Oh, I thought you only had to times the first one.
No, all the 3 numbers.
Okay.
All numbers must group together. Okay, 42.
And then plus 9y.
42 what?
Oh, xy
42xy.
plus 9y
Yeah,
square.
yes, correct. Plus 9y squared. Good job. Okay, so remember, all the numbers must multiply together. Okay, in exam, just key into your calculator straight away. 2 times 7 times 3. X and Y must copy and paste. Okay, X and Y, just copy and paste. The only thing you have to take note of is the number. Okay, moving on to Bernice.
6x squared plus 2 times 6x times 3y plus 3y to the power of 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then it will be 36x squared plus 36xy plus 9y to the power of 2.
Yeah, very good. Next one, Afika. I keep saying Afifa. Afifa. Hmm. Yeah, very good. The last one, well, I think you didn't type it. So yeah, 4x squared plus 2 times 4x times 5y plus 5y squared. Okay? And then when we expand, what do we get, Afifa? Okay, can you expand it and let me know what's your answer? Are you almost done typing? Almost done? Okay, yeah. 16x squared plus what about the second one? Okay. Yeah, for those who are waiting, right? As y'all wait, y'all can do the homework. Okay? Don't waste time. Yeah. I'll call you guys when we are moving on. Don't worry. Melon, if you have to leave, okay? Soon, 7 more minutes. Yeah, Melon, actually this class faster. Faster than Tuesday class. Tuesday class gonna do this again also. Mm. Um, you haven't even tell me the middle part. So middle part, remember I say all the numbers is a types, right? So you just key into your calculator. So you see 2, 4, and 5. So 2 times 4 times 5 on the calculator. Is that okay? You understand this part? So you see all the numbers you can key into calculator. So then this would be 40xy. And then this one, what about this one? 5y squared. It's similar to how you do this one. About the 5y squared? It's very similar to the first part here. No. Remember, it's not a multiply by 2. When you have a square means what? 5 square. Right? Remember? The first 2 is always square. So you just key into calculator 5 square. You get a 25. So the answer is 25 square. 25y square. Okay, so please here wait a square plus 2ab plus b square. Afifa, so this the first 2, this one, right, is a square. Okay, this is square. All right, only the middle part here is a multiply. Only the middle part is multiply. Okay, then for the square and multiply, don't need think so much. I'm just going to press calculator. The only thing I'm concerned of is whether you all know how to identify A and B and put them in the equation. Okay? Okay, guys, let's move on. Okay, I'm calling you guys all back. Now, move on to the second rule. Okay, let's compare the first rule and the second rule. Remember, the first rule is this, right? Okay, the second rule is this. Okay, so comparing these 2 rules, you can see what is different. The only thing that is different is the sign, right? Plus becomes minus, and only the first one, plus becomes minus. The back you don't touch. Okay, the last one you don't touch. Why? Do you still remember? Anything to the power of 2, anything squared is always positive. So the last one is always positive. Hannah, this is how you memorize. Okay, so if it's the same thing, it's the same application. Look at this. This is a minus b whole thing square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so you can see what is your a. A is 2b, b is 9. So it's equals to 2b square minus 2 times 2b times 9 plus 9 squared. Okay, expand in. Remember, the first and the last one is a square, all right? Only the middle is a multiply, so we just key in calculator, okay? 2 square is 4b square. So 2 times 2 times 9, okay, see? Very simple. Oh. Very simple. 2 times 2 times 9 on my calculator. Okay, on my calculator, you see a 36. 36b plus 9 square 81. Okay, so I repeat, the calculation part is no problem. Okay, you just have to key in the numbers in your calculator. The only problem is where you cannot identify A and B, you cannot put it in and you don't memorize the formula. That's all. Okay, same thing here. This is A, this is B, right? I'm gonna put it in the formula. So 3x squared minus 2 times 3x times 5y plus 5y squared. Okay, open up the bracket. 9x squared minus 2 times 3 times 5, very simply in my calculator, 30xy plus 25y squared. Okay, last one together. Again, A, B, apply formula. 4x squared minus 2 times 4x times 3y plus 3y squared. Okay, open up the bracket. 16x squared minus 2 times 4 times 3. Onto the calculator, we get a 24xy plus 9y squared. Is it okay? Anyone confused? Okay, nothing too difficult, right? You all realize it's the same thing as above, but only the sign change. The first one only the first sign change. Remember, the last one don't change because it's a square. Anything square is a positive. Okay, this is how we memorize it. Okay, let's move on. I saw who oh, Afifa, right? Okay, but oh, the order different already. Okay, I'll go. Okay, Bernice, come. Or just follow the order.
So it's 5x to the power of 2 minus 2 times 5x times 3y plus 3y to the power of 2.
Very good. Then
So it will be 25x to the power of 2 minus 30xy
good.
9y
Minus. Huh?
plus 9y squared.
Yes, plus 9y squared. I almost heard a minus. Do you say a minus just now? Oh, okay, I misheard you, sorry. Okay, next one. Atia.
x squared minus 2 3x 6y
Mm-hmm.
plus 6y squared
Mm-hmm.
equals to 9x squared minus 36xy plus 36 squared y
Yeah, very
squared.
good. Yeah, so 2 times 3 times 6, right? Oh, sorry, 36, sorry. Okay, Asher.
Bracket 2x square minus 2 times 2x times 3y
Mm-hmm.
plus 3y square.
Okay.
Then is 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square.
Okay, very good, Asher. Improving. Next person, Chani.
7x squared minus 7x 3y plus 3y squared.
Yeah, very good. Expand out. Yeah, very good. I see you pressing the calculator. Good. Yeah, Chani.
49x squared
Yep.
minus 42xy
Mm-hmm.
plus
Mm-hmm.
9y squared.
Yeah, very good. Okay, next one. Afifa. Arifa. Melon, are you still here? Oh yeah, you're still here. Oh, okay, yeah. 6x squared. Don't forget what's in front of the 6x times 3y. You miss out a number. And then the last one also. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so good. So 2 times 6x and then 3y. And then yeah, correct. 3y squared. Yeah, very good, Afifa. Yeah, improving, very good. So 3, yeah. Faster than me already. Okay, last one. Not sure whether Melanie can do it, but I think I'll just do it for her. So, okay, again, same thing, right?
Okay, I do.
Oh, sure, you can do it.
4x squared
Yeah.
minus 2 times 4x times 5y.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
2 times 4x times 5y
Yeah, very good.
plus 5y squared
Yeah.
equals to 16x squared plus 40x squared plus 25y squared.
Yep, very good. 40xy plus 25y squared. Yeah, great job, Asher. Okay, great. Okay, now the last rule. Wow, just nice finish the 3 rules. Okay, what if the signs are swapped? So this is the last rule. A plus B, and then the other one swap. A minus B. This is the easiest rule. when you see this, right, the answer very simple. You get a squared minus b squared. Okay, minus b squared. If you forgot whether it is a negative, okay, you can always expand and see what you get. Right? This is a negative, huh? Okay, same thing here. Do you see that this is a minus b, a plus b? Okay, it's the same thing. Y'all don't tell me with the position swap, then the answer different. Same thing, I just swap it around, okay? So a is 2x, b is 14. The answer is a squared minus b squared, right? So a 2x squared minus 14 squared. Can a and b copy and paste only. Then this one is both square. There's no multiple of 2, okay? So it is just 4x squared. Calculator, 14 squared is what? 196. All right, both are squares. There's no multiplication of 2. Okay, there's no multiplication. Okay, this one, same thing. This is a plus b times a minus b. Okay? Even though the signs are swapped, it's the same outcome. A is, oh, sorry, wrong color. A is 5p, B is 7q. 5p squared minus 7q squared. Okay, when we expand in, what happens? 25p squared is a square, minus 7 squared, we get a 49q squared. Okay, last one. AB. Okay, check AB. 4x squared minus 2y squared. 16x squared minus 4y squared. Oh. Okay. Is that all right? Okay, last 9 minutes. Okay, let's pali. Come. Who do I start with? Oh, Bernice, let's go.
5x to the power of 2 minus 2y to the power of 2.
Yeah.
It will be 25x to the power of 2 minus 4y to the power of 2.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Atia.
X to the power of 2 minus 3y to the power of 2. 4x to the power of 2 minus 6y to the power of 2.
6,
9y.
no, 9y. Okay, so here, careless, okay. Next, Asher.
4x squared 4x squared minus 3y squared
Yeah,
is 16x squared minus 9y squared.
yeah. Chen Yi. 陈毅, whenever you are ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
3x squared. 3x squared minus 6y squared
Yeah.
equals
Arifa, your next, yeah?
9x squared
Okay, good. 9x squared.
and 6y squared.
Yeah, good. 36y squared. Okay, Arifa?
She sent in chat like
Oh, she said in chat. Oh, thanks. 5x squared minus 7y squared. Yeah. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, last one. Last one. Someone help me. No voice really. Anybody? Okay, anybody come quick. Curious? Anyone? Anybody lah? Faster.
Now can I do
Sure.
5x squared minus 3y squared is 35x squared minus 9y squared.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very good. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all for today. So remember that this was the homework, yeah, for today. Okay. Then next week we'll continue drilling the 3 rules and we'll revise the 3 rules. Is that okay? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.